Greetings, Jeffrey Evans here. In this video, I'll guide you through how to manage your book outlines in Instant Author. Whether you're refining a plot, adding characters, or incorporating research, you'll learn everything you need to manage your outlines efficiently. Let's get started. First, let's navigate to the Outlines page from your profile dashboard. This is where you can find a list of all the outlines you've created for your books. Once you're in the Outlines page, you'll see a list of all your book outlines. You'll see key information for each outline, including the book title, genre, and creation date and short description. To view or edit a specific outline, simply click on the pen icon next to the book title. This will open up the book's outline for further editing. Inside the book outline page, you'll find various sections, starting with the book title at the top, followed by the Characters and Research Materials sections. In the Characters section, you can add new characters by clicking the Add Character button. A pop-up window will appear where you can select the character from the drop-down list. Here, you can also assign the character's role in the story, such as protagonist, supporting character, or antagonist. Additionally, you can choose which chapters the character will appear in and add any relevant notes. Once you've entered all the details, click Add to Outline to save the character to your book's outline. In the Research Materials section, you can add research associated with this outline. This helps keep all your resources in one place for easy reference. The Outline Content section is where you can edit your book outline itself. This is where you'll organize the chapters, structure the plot, or add detailed notes for each section. After making changes, don't forget to click the Save Changes button to keep your updates. Inside the book outline page, you have several options for managing your outline further. You can delete the outline entirely, download it in docx format, or even generate a sales page for your book. You can also generate the entire book from your outline. This allows you to take your structure and transform it into a full-length manuscript with just a few clicks. That's it for managing your book outlines. You now have all the tools you need to refine your plot, add characters, and manage research, all while keeping everything organized in one place. Thanks for watching. Be sure to explore the full potential of Instant Author's outline management features, and don't hesitate to start organizing your next big project. Happy writing!